Hello everyone, and welcome back to JD's Aviation.
Today we're going to try something that we haven't done before. We're going to try a landing challenge here in Microsoft Flight Simulator.
This will be our first time attempting this video. We will be doing three landing challenges, and whoever gets the better score wins the whole challenge.
Alright, so let's hop right into the video.
Are you ready?
So the first one of the two challenges that we're going to do is going to be Sydney. So yeah, I'm going to go first and D'Angelo will go second. Here we go. Alright guys, we are here on short final here in Sydney, Australia. Yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed on a smooth-ish landing. Yeah, I'm not the best at landings, but give it a shot here.
Is this an 8 to 20 now or 8 to 21?
500,
Too low.
400, 300,
Come on.
200, 100, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, restart.
Break. Where's the brakes? Hey, is it gonna give you your score?
That was actually surprisingly good for me, not gonna lie. Hey, a B. I'm okay with that. Alright, so here's my scores, and let's give it to D'Angelo now.
Alright, it is my turn to land. I have not played Microsoft Flight Simulator in a while, so I might be a little rusty. Say it now?
Yeah.
Better? Alright guys, I am on short final. Oh shoot.
300, 200,
Oh shoot, I'm not lined up with the runway. Okay, here we go.
100, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, restart, drive.
We don't know if that is more smoother than Jacob's. Let's see. Whew. Yes, I have definitely beat Jacob in this landing challenge with 1,483,461 points. That is the best score so far. I just beat Jacob, kicked him really good. And yeah, that's landing challenge number 1.
Alright guys, for the second challenge we're going to be landing in Rio de Janeiro. Alright, now it's for my second go. It's going to be really tough to catch up to D'Angelo. I already know I'm not going to, not as good as him, but alright, let's give it a shot here, landing.
1,000,
Where is the runway?
Oh, oh. A little low here. Uh-oh. It's not a good start. Yikes. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Alright. Let's, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard drive.
Yikes, that was a little off center. Not the best, a little bumpy, but you know, made it on the ground pretty, I guess, safe, you know. So, you know, it's okay. It's okay. I was really off center, that's why.
Alright, so now it is my turn to land, and hopefully I can beat Jacob again. Alright, short final. Hopefully, gonna have a smooth landing here. Feel like I'm too low here. Yeah, definitely too low. Maybe it'll be fine, but... Oh shoot, yes. Way too low. Nope. Oh, too high. Oh god. Here we go.
100, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard.
Oh, that was rough. Not on the center line. Not a good landing, but hopefully it will do. Alright, well, Jacob beat me, so we have to have a tiebreaker. We are going to be landing in New York. So we're going to change it up this time. I'm going to go first, and yeah, we are going to be landing in the 747-8 at New York. Alright guys, I'm on short final at JFK. Oh shoot, I'm too low. Oh, here we go. Jacob, look. It's not breaking. Why is it not breaking? Please break. 747. Stop going down the runway. Oh my god. Stop going down the runway. Oh, break. It's not breaking.
You have to hold it.
I'm holding it, for goodness sake. It's not breaking.
This is your score. This is your score.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, break. Oh, okay. Break! Ah, shoot. Ah, shoot. Ah, shoot!
Alright guys, so it's my turn here in the flight sim. D'Angelo left the gate wide open here, so it's hopefully I can capitalize on it you know, take the chance that I have. But yeah, flying at JFK in the 7.4. Let's give it a shot. Alright guys, I'm here in the sim now. I'm a little low, but I'm gonna come in and land. Hopefully 747s are pretty tough to land though, so we'll see how we do here. Let's see. Alright guys, we're touchdown, slowing down hopefully. I don't know what's happening here. Don't know what's happening. Don't know why we're not stopping. Uh-oh, it's not good. This will be very close between the two of us. Uh-oh! Not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. We are... Oh!
Wait, who wins? Who wins?
This is gonna be a... I'm like off the runway. I don't know. This is...
Who wins, guys?
I think D'Angelo's gonna win this one.
Who wins the challenge, guys?
Let's see. This
Who
is
wins?
it right here.
Who wins? I swear, you win. Who wins? Yeah!
Oh, wait!
D'Angelo Brule wins. Let's go. D'Angelo wins. D'Angelo wins for 579,256 to 494,740.
That was close. That was close.
We'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this Microsoft Flight Simulator Challenge video.
If you guys enjoyed this, please let us know in the comment section down below, and you can show us by subscribing to the channel. Yeah, comment down below what you thought of this. It's something that we haven't tried before, and it was kind of fun, but we want to know what you guys think, so let us know down below.
If you enjoy our content, please like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, guys, have a great rest of your day or night.
See ya.
We'll be right back.